show you three tips or three methods that you can do to increase your YouTube subscribers. The first thing you're gonna do, I'm just copying a link, then I will click enter, and look guys, what will happen. So when users go to this link, it will tell you confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to It's All for Fun? So I'm gonna click cancel. So when users go there, you have a chance like from 50% that they will subscribe and 50% that they will not subscribe. So that's the first method. So what should you do to do this? Like, first you're gonna go here to YouTube Studio. Then when you're done with that, go here. Just gonna wait for the page to load. Go to here, view your channel on YouTube. I'm gonna wait for it to load. You're gonna write, you see guys, question mark sub underscore confirmation equal 1. So we click enter. After you write that, it will tell you confirm channel subscription. So the keyword is question mark sub underscore confirmation equal 1. I'm just gonna give you this word in the link in the description, guys. So when you're done with that, we want to shorten this link because this link is too long. So I'm gonna go here to Bitly. I'm gonna show you Bitly in the links in the description box down below. Then I'll click enter. So bitly.com will let you shorten your URL if you have a very long one. So I think that this URL is very long, so I'm gonna paste it and gonna click shorten. So that's my URL. I'm gonna copy it, then click here, then go here, and then go to my YouTube video until click here guys on this link to subscribe to my channel, and then when they click here, they could subscribe to your channel. So that's guys the first method you could do. Go here, YouTube Studio, gonna go to YouTube Studio, then you're gonna wait for it to load again. Then you're gonna go here to settings and wait for the settings to load, and go to here to channel, go to branding, and then it will tell you to put a watermark in your video. So this watermark will let the people that watch your channel, it will be easier for them to subscribe. So when the mouse goes here in this watermark, it will tell them subscribe or not, so they could click subscribe. It will be easier for them. So what you will do, you're gonna go here, you could click replace or remove, and if you don't have one, it will tell you to upload. So I remove this one, and it will tell you put a PNG or a GIF. So I'm gonna click here, choose image, and I'm gonna put my channel's logo, and we have to do it on entire video because it will let the people that look on your channel a bigger chance to subscribe, because if they see that watermark on the end of the video, they could subscribe, and they could see that watermark at the first of the video. Then you should click here save. So that's the second tip. On to the third tip. Go to your about thing or description, and make sure that you write a very good description, and put here some links like Facebook link and the Instagram link, Twitter, or anything. And in the next video, I'm gonna let you learn how to make links on your description. So for now guys, goodbye, and I hope you like the video.